Okay, so I'm inside this folder. Okay, C Exif tool, and I have two picture. All right. Okay, and of course the Exif tool itself. All right. So this is the command prompt, right, of the same place. So just to show you, I will list the directory. So you can see the two PNG over here, right? Cassie and Serena, and the Exif 2 are up here. Okay, so just to set the background, right? Uh, I will show the metadata of both these PNG. So the Exif, okay, 2, okay. So this is for Cassie PNG. Okay, so this is for Serena, all right, PNG. Okay, yes, let me adjust this a little bit. Okay, the first thing I would like to draw the attention to is, of course, these are all the metadata, all right, metadata, all the PNG. They do not have a metadata called title, TITLE. Right? So I want to create it. Okay, but please take note that not every file type can add or support every single metadata. So you need to check. Okay, but this one can because this one is a PNG file. So I want to add title. All right. So how do I add a metadata in? Okay. So of course I will need my Exif tool, and the metadata that I want to add is title. Okay. Not only do I want to add a title, I want to set a value to it. So I will use the equal. Okay, so maybe okay, so maybe something like that. Okay, put in double quote. All right. And where do I want to set it? Okay, since both of them are PNG file, right, both of them are PNG file, I can do it one at a time. All right, so I can always put Cassie.png and then later on Serena.png. But since they are both PNG file, all right, I can use a wildcard. So a wildcard, anything with the extension .png. Okay, let me hit enter. All right, so it says that two image file is updated, and you will notice that they create two backup file for me. All right, so you can refer to the previous videos to to understand the backup file. All right, so it's just a tool. So let me clear my screen so it doesn't become troublesome. Oh, sorry, typo error. Okay, and now let's view Cassie. Okay, there is a title which just don't have, and the text. So I just recreate, and the same thing I will look for Serena. Okay, here. All right. So it is a success to create the title meta tag as well as to assign a value to it. So now I got this metadata tag, but I do not want this value. I do not want this hard coded value. All right. I want to keep the title. I want to keep the title, but not this value. I want this value to follow the file name. So for this cassie.png, we'll go into here. Then for this file, serena.png will uh, go into here. Okay, so that is what I want to do. All right. And of course, you can imagine that you have 400 files that you want to do this. So you can use the wildcard. All right, so you can use the wildcard itself. So again, I'm going to use the same exif tool. All right. So this time, uh, the one that I want to change is title. The one I want to change is title. So title need to copy from somewhere. So copy from. So title will take the file name. Right. So title will take from file name. Okay. So and apply this to all PNG file. Okay. Of course, you can imagine again that there are 400 files, PNG files. Okay. So let's try this. Okay. Mm, okay. Let me remove the this one and try again because it seems that two image file is unchanged. So did I hit enter? Okay, now is two image file updated. So I just remove the dash over here. Okay, let's have a look at Cassie. So the file name is Cassie. There is a title, and then it copy this Cassie PNG into here. All right, so let's do another one to check Serena. And okay, file name Serena PNG. And okay, here's the title. Right, and it copy this to the title. All right, so it can be done. Okay, so this is how you create a new meta tag, and you copy from one meta tag to another meta tag.